How to create a Binance account with full details. Step 1. Visit Binance website. Go to the official Binance website, https://binance.com. Always double-check the URL to avoid phishing sites. Step 2. Click on Register. On the top right corner, click Register. Choose email or phone option. You can also register via Google or Apple. Step 3. Enter your details. Email or phone number. Secure password. Use uppercase, lowercase, number and symbol. Referral ID optional if you have one. Click Next as Create Account. Step 4. Verify your email or phone. Binance will send a 6-digit code. Enter the code within 30 minutes. Step 5. Identity verification, KYC. To use all features, especially withdrawals, trading, complete KYC, know your customer. Choose your country. Upload government ID, passport, driver's license or national ID, selfie photo or video for face match. Enter personal info. Full name, date of birth, address. Verification may take a few minutes to 24 hours. Step 6. Set up security. Enable 2FA, two-factor authentication. Use Google Authenticator or SMS. Optional, anti-phishing code and withdrawal whitelist. Step 7. You're in. Deposit crypto or fiat via card, P2P or bank. Start trading, earning or investing. Pro tips. Use a strong password and 2FA. Don't share your account details. Only use the official Binance app or website.